Feeling stuck? You're not alone. But here's the truth. It's never too late to transform your life. In today's video, I'll guide you through 5 powerful steps to break free from self-doubt and step into personal growth. 1. Pause and notice your thoughts. Transformation starts with awareness. Take a moment to listen to your self-talk. The way you speak to yourself influences your emotions and actions, so becoming aware of your inner dialogue is the first step to change. 2. Identify false beliefs. Often we hold on to fears that aren't real, just echoes from past experiences. Ask yourself whether these beliefs are based on facts or just assumptions you've carried over time. 3. Write down your fears. Put your doubts on paper. Making them visible helps you face them. Seeing your fears written down allows you to examine them objectively rather than letting them control your mind. 4. Tear the page. Release that energy. Physically tearing the page can feel incredibly freeing. 5. Affirm your power. Replace that space with empowering thoughts like, I am capable. I am ready for positive change. If you're ready for a deeper transformation, join one of our free guided meditation sessions at onlinemeditationevents.com. Let's grow together.